Hey there, welcome back to our podcast channel, your guide to unlocking the power of manifestation. I am Vidhi, your host, and today we are diving into the magic of turning dreams into reality through manifestation. So, ma'am, manifestation is about making our dreams come true. We all keep hearing it. Are those just attractive talks, or is there anything real about manifestation?
This universe is full of vibrations, and what we project is what we get. Whatever vibration is being sent from us get connected with similar vibration in the universe, and it comes back to us as manifested reality. So yes, manifestation really works, and it can work in any ways. If you are thinking about something wrong happening to you, like you're driving a car and every time you drive a car you feel you might get into some accident or get into some kind of trouble, so you're manifesting those wrong thoughts, and that will also come true. At the same time, if you are thinking about a dream job, a dream paycheck, a dream life, then you manifest that as well. So manifestation, those vibrations, they don't understand whether it is good or bad. They're neutral. Whatever you manifest, those vibrations get connected with similar vibration and they come back to your life. So manifestation works for real, but whether it is doing good to you or not depends on what you are projecting to the universe.
Many people believe that कि बिना कुछ करे you can be successful just by manifesting. Is that really true?
Very interesting question. What does manifestation do? Manifestation gets us connected with those energies which we want in our life, but they are still in energy form. In order to get it into gross form, from subtle move to gross, that means get it for real, physical. We have to work physically for it. So basically manifestation ensures that we get connected with the right environment, the right people, the right set of events which is leading us towards the achievement of that particular thing that we want in our life. But then to achieve it, we have to work for it. We can't just keep on manifesting and not work. Work has to come for real. Otherwise, it will be all like Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne. It will be only daydreaming. It won't be for real.
Seems manifestation has so much of power in it. So, what is the right way to do it?
There are two very powerful tools that help us to manifest. One is affirmation and the other is visualization. Now, what is affirmation? Affirmation are positive self-talks which we keep telling to ourselves about things that we want to achieve. Even if they have not happened in reality in the present moment, but we project to ourselves that it has already happened, so that we can send those kind of vibrations and create those kind of neural pathways in our brains. So for example, I want a job in XYZ company, then I can give these affirmation to myself that I'm enjoying my job in XYZ company, right? So when I tell this to myself, what will happen? This kind of positive self-talk will create those neural pathways and project those vibrations in the universe, help me get connected with those vibrations that will lead me to that company for that job interview and translate into success, right? But there's some rules for affirmation. First rule is it has to be positive self-talk. And when I'm talking about self-talk, then it has to be only about myself, not about anybody else, because I can give affirmation only to myself. I can't give affirmation on your behalf. And then there should not be any negativity to it. Like I should not say that I do not want job in this company. I have to always use positive sentence that I want a job in this company. So it has to be positive. It has to be personal, like about me, myself. It has to be in the present moment, as if it has already been achieved and I'm enjoying the achievement of it. So it has to be in the present sense, present moment. And there should not be any doubt about it. Because the moment I start doubting it, my vibrations go haywire. My vibrations get clouded, they get fuzzy, and then they are not able to project properly. So there should not be any doubt. I should have full trust in my affirmations, whether or not I have achieved it. But if I have trust, then I'll definitely be able to achieve it. And then along with these affirmation, I should visualize. I should visualize that I am going for the job interview in that particular my dream company. There I am facing an interview panel who are asking me, they are just bombarding questions on me, and my answers are like really amazing. With each answer, they are all getting very, very excited. They are congratulating me on all my answers. They are giving me full marks on all my answers. Their face is glowing with happiness when they're listening to me. And when we concluded, they are all shaking hands with me and congratulating me as if I've already achieved the job. And very soon I achieve it with a pay package that I really wanted in a particular department which I had always dreamt of. So when I start visualizing in this manner, then again my neural pathways become very strong and they help me in sending those kind of vibrations. The more emotional I am in my visualization, the more impactful my manifestation is. Again, the moment I start including all my senses, my visual sense, my auditory sense, my sense of smell, my sense of touch, when I start incorporating all these senses also in my visualization, like I'm visualizing the panel of people, I'm visualizing their laughter, I'm seeing their smile, I'm smelling the nice aroma of coffee that is being served in the room. So the more senses are involved in my visualization, the more real it becomes and gets translated to in reality in no time. So with affirmations and visualization, you can manifest really, really well. But the catch is you have to trust what you're manifesting. If you have got any doubt about your manifestation, then that manifestation will not come alive. You have to have full trust in it.
Everything is shared with their experiences. So I would really like to know, I'm very curious inside that what are your experience? How did you achieve things through manifestation? Please share your experience.
I feel my life is all about manifestation. I manifest and I get. And the biggest manifestation that I've achieved till date, of course, I've achieved many, many, many of them. But if I rate in terms of like big to small, the biggest one was when I was blessed with my own babies. I manifested them totally. I had a lot of problem in conception and everything, but then I manifested my son in with a particular look, with a particular skill sets, with a particular kind of intelligence. And today I just see him ditto ditto, the same as I manifested him. When my daughter was, when I conceived my daughter, it was astrologically predicted that I will be having two sons, but I wanted one son and one daughter. So I manifested my daughter while I was conceiving her, and I delivered a daughter. I have a daughter, which was against all the astrological predictions. So manifestation really goes beyond all other things in life. You actually create your own destiny through your manifestation. It works for real.
That's so inspiring, ma'am. Would you like to motivate our listeners by some positive affirmations?
Life is a dream, and through right manifestation, you can actually convert this dream into reality and make your life really, really beautiful. So just don't limit yourself in terms of what you want to achieve. Just go overboard. Because this universe has enough for everyone. It has got enough. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है? प्रॉब्लम हम में है, हम कंजूसी कर लेते हैं मांगने में. So just open your heart. Seek it from the universe. Seek it. The universe is there to bless you. But there are two things behind it. Very, very important. One, whatever you seek, seek with positive intention. Because universe does not believe in any malpractices. Only positive intention works in this cycle of energy. So only seek with positive intention, which is win-win for everyone, which is for holistic good for everyone, not only for your selfish desire. So you need to move beyond your selfish desire and with a very positive intention, just seek what you want. And the universe is there to bless you. And when you seek, don't have any doubt. Because the moment you start doubting, even the universe starts doubting on you. So demand from the universe with positive intention and full trust and faith. And the world is all yours.
Alright, manifestors, it's a wrap for today's manifesting journey. Huge thanks to Sonal ma'am for sharing her thoughts and views on manifestation and helping us. Remember, keep vibing high, setting intentions, and trust the process. The universe has your back. Catch you later in other episodes of information and learning.